Hello viewers, today we are talk about female with red hair, exploring a world of fairy elegance and vibrant charm through the lens of a female with red hair is like stepping into a story filled with fashion, allure and uniqueness. Red hair with its stunning hues ranging from deep ebony to bright copper symbolize a bold and fearless spirit. Red hair has been celebrated and sometimes mystified in various cultures throughout history. Red haired women have been a recurring subjects in art for centuries, captivating artists with their unique and vibrant hair color. This fascination spans various art movements and styles, from classical to contemporary, in examining the depiction of red haired women in paintings. We can explore the symbolism, historical context, and artistic technique that have shaped their representation. Historically, red hair has been both admired and stigmatized in ancient time. Red hair was associated with strength and overwrought lines. The Greek and Roman, for example, often linked red haired people with a fairy temperament and supernatural qualities. This perception persisted into the medieval and Renaissance period, where red hair could symbolize both beauty and danger. During the Renaissance, artists like Titian frequently portrayed red haired women, enhancing their allure and mystery. Titian's work, such as Venus of Urbano 1538, showcases the beauty of red hair, emphasizing its richness and texture. For Titian and his contemporaries. Red hair symbolized sensuality and eroticism, making red haired women ideal subjects for exploring themes of love and desire. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood, a group of English painters, poets, and characters founded in 1848, revived the fascination with red haired women. They sought to return to the detail, intense colors, and complex composition of early Renaissance art. Red hair in their paintings often symbolize passion, individuality, and a connection to nature. Dante Gabriel Rossetti, a permanent pre-Raphaelite painter, frequently depicted red-haired women, his muse, such as John Morris and Elizabeth Siddal, are immortalized in work like Beta Beatrix 1864 and Proserpine 1874. Rossetti's use of rich vivid color and meticulous attention to detail highlights an striking beauty and enigmatic presence of his red-haired subjects. The women in his painting often embody both earthly and ethereal qualities, emphasizing their role as both muses, and mythic figures. Today, the depiction of red-haired women continues to evolve, with contemporary artists exploring diverse themes and perspectives. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.